What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify square root of 72 minus square root of 98. So basically all these examples that I want to show you today is related to adding and subtracting square roots that need simplification. So the first one is 72 and the second one is 98. The first thing we need to do, we need to find out the factor that is perfect square. So for example, 72 is 36 times 2. So I just change it to square root of 36 times square root of 2, square root of 49 times square root of 2. So that will be 6 root 2 minus 7 root 2. So 6 minus 7 is going to be negative 1. So it's going to be negative root 2. Next example is 48 plus 27. Answer is, again we need to find out the perfect square out of each of them. 48 is 16 times 3, 27 is 9 times 3. So 16 times 3 plus 9 times 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3. That makes it 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 root 3. Next example is square root of 80 minus 3 root 5. Answer is square root of 16 times square root of 5 minus 3 root 5. That makes it 4 root 5 minus 3 root 5. 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. 1 times root 5 is going to be 5. Root 5. Next example, it will be root 28 minus 4 root 7, which is going to be root 4 times root 7 minus 4 root 7. That makes it 2 root 7 minus 4 root 7. That makes it negative 2 root 7. Next will be root 45 plus root 80. 45 is root 9 times root 5 plus root 16 times root 5. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So it's going to be 4 root 5. So 3 plus 4 is going to be 7 root 5. And then next example, we have 2 root 50 minus 3 root 72. Root 50 is 25 times 2 minus 3 root 9 times root 8. You can also write it like that. 2 root 25 root 2 minus 3. 72 is also 36 times 2, so it's better to write it like that. 36 times root 2. That will make it 2 times 5 times root 2 minus 3 times 6 root 2 makes it 10 root 2 minus 18 root 2, which makes it negative 8 root 2. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.